Hi, John McCormick here with Albuquerque Homes Realty and albuquerquehomes.com. I want to welcome you to 6009 Sipapu Avenue. This is in northwest Albuquerque in the 87120 zip code. What I'm showing you here is the DR Horton Grand Canyon model. This is a beautiful 3,000 square foot home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it has a 2.5 car garage. This home has been loved inside and out, and it's show. Let's step on in and take a look. When you step in, you see this beautiful wood grained look. This is tile flooring, and then you have this formal living area, sitting area right here to the left of the entry. Then it steps right into this beautiful family room. It shows those tile floors again, the stack stone on the fireplace. It's an excellent focal point. And you can see these beautiful windows. They let so much wonderful light in. Just a great ambiance, a great feel. Just off the family room is this wonderful flex space. This can be an office. They use it for an exercise room. A lot of options there. And then there's a half bath immediately off that serves the entire downstairs. And we step into this fabulous kitchen. Black granite tops, tile flooring, stainless appliances throughout, and including 2 convection ovens. That's correct, 2 convection ovens. It's a 5-burner cooktop stove, plus you get the microwave as well. Again, this shows those beautiful black granite tops. That's a Kohler sink, gooseneck faucet, beautiful pendant lighting over the breakfast area as well. Just a nice open space, great for entertaining. Just off the kitchen is this beautiful formal dining room, plenty of room for those larger tables and for those special gatherings. This staircase leads us up right into the loft. A great place for an office, additional living space, maybe a playroom for the kiddos. Just a great space, and it's got a wonderful overlook into the family room, down into the kitchen as well. One of the great features of this home is the master suite. This is French doors open into this room. Really nice, big, spacious area. Plenty of room for that larger furniture. And then it looks into the bath, and you can see the sliding glass door there that's diffused, open, closed, so you get some nice privacy into that bathroom. The bathroom itself is full featured, so you got this nice step-in shower that's tiled, a jetted tub, and a big, big closet that's got natural light in it, as you see. Here we transition to the other 3 bedrooms and the full bath upstairs. All of the rooms are very nice size. Custom paint, ceiling fans, luxurious carpet, very, very tastefully done. This is the full bath. It has the granite countertops, tile flooring. This is bedroom number 4, also with the ceiling fan, the luxurious carpet, and custom paint. The laundry room here is just off of the kitchen and the garage. Custom cabinetry, tile flooring. Check out this beautiful back patio, backyard. It's lush, it's green, it's a wonderful place for family and friends. It's got a dedicated barbecue area, covered area, uncovered area, plenty of room for your picnic table, just to enjoy life, take it easy at the end of the day. A really special place here. Balloons fly over often over Story Rock. They launch to the north and then fly right over this neighborhood. So morning coffee is really special. Take in the balloons, the sights and sounds of that. More of this fantastic backyard. It's got the brick pavers all the way around the trim edge. Very immaculately done. (6009) Sipapu does have a 2.5 car garage. Plenty of room for your vehicles and storage. You're going to love the Story Rock community. It's conveniently located between Unser and Coors off of Western Trails. This is the Story Rock private park. It's maintained by the HOA. It's lush, it's green, some wonderful trees, a pavilion, plus the walking paths lead out to some of the city's walking paths. If you have any questions about 6009 Sipapu, would love the opportunity to talk to you. Make it a great day.